these problems, we are multiplying binomials, that is, things with two terms, by trinomials, things with three terms. And maybe up till now, you've been used to multiplying a binomial times a binomial, and you use that FOIL method, multiplying the first, the inside, the outside, the last. And that's a handy way to remember to multiply everything. With a trinomial, that's not going to work anymore. So I think the best way to do this is to start with your binomial and take the first term and multiply it by each of the terms in the trinomial. Then go back and do that for the second term. Don't forget the sign. Multiply by each of the terms in the trinomial, and then add everything together, combine your like terms, and arrange it appropriately. So that's the method we're going to use. Let me show you how this works. First, y times 5y squared, the first term times the first term in your trinomial, is 5y cubed. Now the y times the positive 4y, that's going to be a 4y squared. And then finally, the y times the negative 3 is negative 3y. Okay, now let's go back and do this for the negative 7. Negative 7 times 5y squared is negative 35y squared. I'm actually going to put that in a second row here, and I'll show you why in a minute. I'm going to line up the y squared so that they're in the same column. All right, so I've done negative 7 times the 5y squared. Let's do negative 7 times 4y. That's negative 28y. And finally, negative 7 times a negative 3 is a positive 21. Now, I've got these arranged so that I can just add them together. There's no y cubed term on the second line, so it's just 5y cubed. Here, I've got a positive 4y squared and a negative 35y squared. That's a negative 31y squared. Here, a negative 3y and a negative 28y is going to be a negative 31y. And we've got our plus 20. One more just for practice. So we'll start with the first term and multiply it by each of these terms. So 3w times 4w squared, that's 12w to the third. 3w times negative 2w is minus 6w squared. And 3w times 7 is plus 21w. All right, let's try this for the negative 1 now. Negative 1 times 4w squared is a negative 4w squared. Again, I'll just line that up under the squared term from the first part we did. And then a negative 1 times a negative 2w. A negative times a negative is a positive, so that's going to be a positive 2w. And finally, negative 1 times 7 is minus 7. And we can add all the like terms. We've just got 12w cubed. A minus 6 and a minus 4w squared would be minus 10w squared. A 21w and a 2w would be 23w. And we have our minus 7. So that is how to multiply a binomial by a trinomial.